Welcome! In this video, you'll learn exactly how to remove a group admin on Telegram, step by step, with the latest 2025 update. Whether you're managing a small community or running a large discussion group, keeping admin control organized is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and connected to the internet. Once you're in, go to the group where you want to remove an admin. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group's information page, where you can see member details, media, and settings. On this page, look for the option labeled Edit. Tap it to access the full range of management tools for your group. Now scroll and tap on Administrators. Here, you'll find the complete list of people who currently have admin privileges in the group. You'll see their usernames, profile pictures, and in some cases, a short description of what admin powers they have. Once you've located the admin you want to remove, tap on the three dots next to their name. A small menu will appear with several options. Choose the one that says Dismiss Admin. Telegram will immediately revoke their admin rights while keeping them as a regular member of the group. That's it. You've successfully removed a group admin. They'll still be part of the group unless you decide to remove them completely, but they won't have the ability to edit settings, pin messages, or manage members anymore. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Always double-check who you're removing to avoid confusion, especially in large groups. And remember, only group creators or admins with sufficient permissions can manage other admins. Now that you know how to handle admin roles effectively, your Telegram group can stay organized and secure. Keep your group structure neat, and make sure responsibilities are in the right hands for smooth community management. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.